me, Mr. Max B8. Today, we're going to be opening this Tyranitar V10. So, first, we're going to take off the top. And we have our Tyranitar promo card here. Let's move this back. Let me go get a sweet fruit. Now this Tyranitar V, pretty cool. I mean, as you can see here, it's a single strike, and I don't really have a lot of single strike Vs. So we're gonna take the back part off here. Carefully gonna take it out. Here we go. Tyranitar V. This actually feels very thick. Okay. We're gonna get one of our sleeves for it. Today we're gonna use these clear small ones. So here it is. There we go. We're gonna put this in the back. We also have code card. Put that to the side. Okay, next are the packs. We have 5 packs. We have a Sword and Shield base, Darkness Ablaze, Vivid Voltage, Battle Styles, and another Battle Styles. And then that's it. That's what's in the tin. We're gonna put that to the side. I'm also going to put the tin to the side. We have all the packs back here. We're going to pick them one by one. So I'm going to open them in the order we have here. And we have to end it off with Tyranitar, because we have the Tyranitar V promo. So we're going to start off with the Sword and Shield base. Here's the code card. Sorry about that. Okay. Sorry about the wait. Or at least for me, it was a wait. So, we were opening our Sword and Shield base pack. Okay, sorry about that. 4 from the back. Here we go. We got Kebabs, we got a Yamper, Sizzlepede, Panard, Ghastly, got a Goldeen, Orbeetle, Energy, Quagsire, and Citrus Berry, and Hyper Potion. Okay, nothing very good out of that, just have the regular cards, but that's fine. Okay, next pack. We got Darkness Ablaze. Here's the code card. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Got Fighting Energy. Got Rose Tower. We got Gimwood Tangle. Powerful Energy. Torchic. Starly. Skarmory. Pansage. Electrike. Reverse Hollow. Kabu. And we have Tyranitar. That's fine. Vivid Voltage. Oh wow, this is a very tight pack. Okay, so here's the code card. Put the cards to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Here we go. Dark Energy. Excadrill, B, Jaffrig, Oshawott, Duskull, Pharaoh Seed, Rylu, Sandile, Reverse Hollow, Loundred, and we have Clefable, regular rare. Okay, not doing so good, but here we go. We have our battle styles. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Duran, Single Strike Style Mustard, Cheryl, Yamper, got Murkrow, Salandit, Bellsprout, Mirfu, Reverse Hollow, XP Share, and we have a Hollow Octillery. So first hit, we have to put it in the sleeve. In the back. Sorry, in the back. Okay, last pack. Right here, tyranitar battle styles. We have another green and white code card. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Iron Energy, Phoebe. We have Hunchcrow. We have Brushix, Electabuzz, Baltoy, Gilgar, Salandit, Bronzer, Reverse Hollow, Energy Recycler, and we have a Hollow Orbeetle. Okay, well, it's not the best box, you know, didn't get the best items, but here's what we got. So first of all, we got the Hollow Octillery, then we have the Orbeetle Hollow, pretty cool. And last but not least, we have our promo Tyranitar V Single Strike. If you liked today's video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Really helps me out a lot trying to reach my goal of 30 subscribers. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.